Max, what's that ahead of us?
The Asteroid Belt, between Mars and Jupiter.
To get through safely, we need the right directions.
Let's learn the words that guide a rocket through space. We are flying into the Asteroid Belt.
Into means entering a space. We just flew into the belt.
Good job. Now let's find our path through it. Steer through that narrow gap.
Through means going from one side to the other. We made it! Through the gap!
Well done, pilot. This one is too big. Let's fly around it.
Around means circling the outside of something. We flew around the big asteroid.
Perfect curve, right on track. Let's lift the ship and fly over it.
Over means passing above something. We flew right over it.
Nice and steady.
Those are too high to fly over. Let's go under them.
Under means passing below something. We passed right under them.
Smooth flying. There's a space right between those two rocks.
Between means in the middle of two things. Right between them.
Perfect line. Steady hands.
We're about to fly past that small rock.
Past means moving beside something, then continuing on. We flew right past it.
Didn't even slow down. A clear path, let's fly straight across it.
Across means going from one side to the other side. We made it! Across the open space.
Nice speed boost there.
Too crowded to fly through.
Let's climb above it.
Above means higher up than something. We're flying the whole cluster now.
Safe up here. That line is too long to fly around. Let's dive below it.
Below means lower down than something. We flew. Below the whole line.
Great dive, right on target.
That rock is floating right next to us.
Next to means very close beside something. Let's move away from it now.
Good idea. Safety first. That's not just a rock. That's huge.
That's Ceres, the biggest object in the whole belt. Let's fly towards Ceres for a closer look.
Toward means moving in the direction of something. Ceres is so big, scientists call it a dwarf planet.
It holds about a quarter of everything in the whole belt.
A real NASA ship called Dawn orbited Ceres for real. It studied this very world, up close. Steer away from it, quickly!
Away from means moving in the opposite direction. Good move. We're safe now.
Whew, that was close.
This is the trickiest part. Let's use everything we've learned.
Into, through, around! Into the patch, and between these two?
Steady, steady. Over this one, now!
Lifting up, now! Under this one, now!
Diving down, now! Around the whole cluster, quickly!
Curving around, now! Past this last one. Almost there!
Nearly clear. Hold steady. We made it! Out of the danger zone.
Out of means leaving a space completely. We used every direction word perfectly.
Into, through, around, over, under, all of them!
But wait, is the real asteroid belt actually this crowded?
Actually, no. Let's look at the real facts. In reality, they are millions of miles apart. In real life, asteroids are millions of miles apart.
Nothing like the crowded movie versions we usually see. Pioneer, Voyager, New Horizons.
Real spacecraft that flew straight through the belt, with no collisions at all. The entire belt weighs less than our moon.
So much empty space, and so little material. So our tricky flight was more exciting than a real trip would be.
But now we know all the direction words, just in case. There it is, flying toward Jupiter now.
We made it through the whole belt. Into, through, around, over, under.
Between, past, across, above, below. Next to, toward, away from, and out of.
14 direction words, one whole asteroid belt. We learned so many direction words today.
And flew through a real part of our solar system, too. Try it yourself. Into, through, next to.
Into, through, next to.
Thanks for flying with us today.
See you next time for our next space adventure.